Next up, I saw I conquered 2. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. I'm doing a quick voiceover as my microphone didn't record through this, but essentially in this quest, you'll need to go and find out the hostile group's intentions at the sawmill. This quest may have changed a little bit, but essentially you need to head across to this western shed over here. When you get here, head across to the far north side of it and you'll find a table with a light on it. Just behind you will be a map. Simply investigate the map and you've ticked off the first part of this mission. You'll exchange text messages with Handshake, so head across to your east and over this little roofed extension of this warehouse to the east. In this bottom portion, you'll find a car with a bunch of barrels in the back of it. They're red, which obviously means bad, so you need to investigate them, report them, and bam, you finished off this part of the quest. Once you've done these two things, make your way back to spawn, hand in the quest, and you're done. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.